One of the best new releases from Audio-Technica is their brand new ATH-TWX9 auto-sterilizing earbuds. They've just announced, because of their 60th anniversary, they've announced a lot of products with this their anniversary, and this is one of the products that you can go out to purchase. This is a $325 earbud that does a lot. It has the ability to kill germs and give you the best quality of audio that you would desire from a at least proper flagship true wireless earbud. So it does that a lot. It's very portable, and the battery on it is not too bad. In terms of battery, if you charge this model once, you're gonna get 6 hours. With the case, you're looking at 18.5 hours. It's a nice looking earbud that is adding to the collection of releases that they put out. Like, they just announced their transparent ATLP 2022 turntable. They announced their sound barge. They also announced their headphone, their massive headphone, the big model, the first ever wooden wireless headphone, their ATH-WB 2022. So that model, very expensive. So you're looking at $2,700. Announced that a few days ago. Now this model is going to be fantastic for the way you want to probably use it. If you need something that kills germs, bacteria, when you are done using, you just have to place it in the case for 70 seconds and it will do its job. It will kill most bacteria, from what the company is saying, and they're saying that it's very impressive and it's going to compete directly to other brands that have similar tech. If you want to know some other brands that do this, you're looking at LG. LG has something similar, not really so similar, but it's almost the same, but they actually go out to kill germs as well. So this is going to be competitive to the LG's germ sterilizing earbuds that they have right now. So this is going to be competitive. Look, it's kind of like available today, because today is the 9th, so you can go ahead and start purchasing the product if all you care about is that you want to have the very best sound quality, but the ability to have the best performance overall. So this is a very nice new unit. It's coming with a 5.8 millimeter driver, so the driver is quite good overall in terms of what you'll be in a position to expect with it. So look, a nice new release. I think it should be impressive overall for a lot of users that would consider having a top level earbuds in their collection that can do a lot for them, kill germs, and still provide a very good sound quality for whatever it is they are listening to overall. I'm gonna drop specs in the description and what you can expect with this model if you care about it and you want it in your collection. So that's it. Check it out. I'll drop all the available details in the description. Subscribe to the channel, like our content. I'll see you guys very much.